Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI news reporter for free with Veo 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use Veo 3 on Gemini. So first of all, we can open up the gemini.google.com, and for your information, if you want to use Veo, you need to subscribe to Google One if you want to use Gemini. But don't worry guys, because we will get 1 month free trial. So during 1 month, you can generate any video that you want for free using Veo. So now I recommend you to subscribe to the Google One and you can activate the free trial. Okay, here I have already opened the Gemini, and then I'm going to select video right here. Okay, and then I'm going to describe the video that I want to create here. I have already created the prompt with ChatGPT, so I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Okay, I'm going to create a professional news reporter stands in a modern news studio with a large digital screen showing global maps and so on. Okay, after you write a prompt, you can click on the submit icon to submit the prompt. You can also add photo as reference, but I'm not going to add photo, so I'm just going to click on submit, and then the VO3 will generate a video for us. Now the video is being generated. Okay, and now my video is ready, and let's play it.
Tonight, we delve into the escalating climate crisis with new data showing alarming trends across
That's so realistic,
the globe.
right?
Wildfire. Tonight, we delve into the escalating climate crisis.
And if you want to download the video, guys, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.